Hello, Mr. Barr here. Percentages, estimate percents of numbers. There are some fractions that are common percentages that you just need to know. So here are some common guys you just need to put inside your brain and know about all the time. First one is 1/2. 1/2 is 50%. Just remember that. 50%, 1/2. What's 50% of 20? Well, that's the same thing as saying what's half of 20. 1/4 is 25%. 1/4 is 25%. What's 1/4 of 20? Or what's 25% of 40? 25% of 40, I just divide it by 4. It's going to give me 10. Excuse me. 1/3 is the same thing as 33%. Just divide by 3. So this is divide by 2. Divide by 3. Divide by 4. And really, I didn't have anything to put in this one, but let's go with 1/5. 1/5 is 20%. Divide by 5. All right, keep these guys in your head as we go on. So I know halves and things like that. Boom. Which is the most accurate way to estimate 26% of 91? 26%. 26%. What is that really close to that we know from our boxes up here? 26%. Well, that is just about 25%, which is just a 1/4. So when I see 26%, I'm thinking 1/4. Let's come into our math down here. Which of these guys has a 1/4? Well, look at that. That's 1/4 times 92. That's 25% of 92, which is pretty close to 26% of 92. So this is our estimate right there. That's about 25% of 92, which answers the question, what's the estimate of 26 of 91? Let's look at this guy down here. Let's see. 48%. 48%. Well, that's 50%, isn't it? 48, so close to 50. Let's say it's 50%. And what is 50% as a fraction? It's 1/2. Let's look at this. Which one of these? So here we go. Oh, look, we have two answers here that might be good. We've got this guy and that one. What do you think is better? Should I go with 1/2 of 48 or 1/2 of 46? Well, what did we do? If we round the 48 rounded up, then the other one, the 47, should round down. If you round one guy up, round the other guy down. So we rounded this guy up, the other guy should round down. Nope, this isn't it. We should be rounding this guy down to a 46. If you round up, if one of them's going up, the other one should be going down. If you're going to round the percentage up, then round the number down a little bit. Push him down. If one goes up, one goes down. Okay. Let's see if this 74%. Oh, I didn't talk about this one. 74%. What is that as a fraction? 74% as a fraction? That's about 3/4. That's 75%. Is 3/4, so that's an estimate. Well, let's see. So come over here, 3/4. There's one. Uh-oh, there are two. There are two of them right here with 3/4. Well, what did I do here? I rounded this guy. I rounded 74 up to 75, right? Up to 75. So what should I do with my 37? I should push him down. So let's find one where the 37 got pushed down. There it is. It got pushed down to 36. %. Well, what is an 85%? 85 is 85. 85 out of 100. 85 out of 100. Can I reduce that? Maybe by 5s? 5 goes into 120 times, and it goes into 85 17 times. 85% is 17 over 20. Do I have an answer like that over here? Hey, look at that, 17 over 20. 17 over 20, there it is. 17 over 20 times 980. That's good. That's it for that one. Bye-bye.